Okay, here we are at the fair. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Hello. We're at the 2013 Gala Fair. And, yeah, okay.
Hey.
Really cool stuff already. This is for Victoria. She's going to love all these purses.
And the dresses.
And then we're going to scoot down here real quick, and we're going to look at the dresses. Of course. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Oh, and look at the doggy. So cute. Look at him. Oh, sorry. And look at these.
Oh my God.
Oh boy. This is for Victoria. She would love all this. Look at that.
Victoria is going to say, Mom, why don't you give me one of those dresses?
Yeah, why didn't you get me one? Look at this one here. Yeah. It's a nice one there. So. Okay. And onward.